The person wanted to remain anonymous, but they found this account and they basically stated that this account has secretly kind of infiltrated the Genshin space, but it's all AI content. And allegedly, apparently, if you call them out, they will either block you or they will just delete the comments. This is the account in question. It's called iLix. They literally claim they use AI in their bio. So we don't have to do like a double take on looking through their art to be like, this looks AI or this. They claim it in their bio. They say, do not repost. And I always find don't repost being the most funniest thing that AI art accounts use. They will use AI to generate art. And again, if you guys don't know, AI art is art that is stolen from other artists. The bot goes and purges through thousands and thousands and thousands worth of art from artists and then steals elements from them and mashes it together to make a new piece. It is stolen artwork at the end of the day. So I think it's so funny when these AI artists will put AI used art or whatever and then say, do not repost. How about do not use AI? The fact that they have almost 36,000 followers is nuts to me too. And let us see their posts. More examples, more examples, more examples, more examples. Another thing that we can look at this account and tell why it's really suspicious is the frequency of posts. If this was actually made by a human being, let's look at this piece. This is pretty decent quality rendering, composition, all that, this, that, and the third. This was posted June 2nd. Let's see. They posted 20 hours ago. 20 hours ago. By the way, they call this a photo book. There's 5 photos. So this is just one of the 5, 20 hours ago. June 24th, another art piece. June 24th, another art piece with 3 photos. June 23rd, another art piece. June 22nd, another art piece. June 22nd again, photo book. So there's more pictures. June 21st, another art piece. June 20th, another art piece. I'm just saying right now, unless you're a full-time artist in which you have a sugar mommy or daddy or somebody to fund your lifestyle, I truly don't think any artist can pump out art this quickly. No breaks, nothing of this quality. They're just pumping art over and over and over and over and over again. So that's one way you can tell if an account is using AI, besides this person literally being a self-admitted AI user. But the fact that they post so frequently of a quality that doesn't make sense. If you're posting daily sketches, okay, I can understand. If you post daily pieces and it's like, simple rendering or something, I could also understand. But to post pieces, fully completed rendered pieces once a day, twice a day even, and they're posting photo sets, so they're doing almost daily photo sets with like 4 or 5 pictures in a photo set, probably AI. Or you're an insanely cracked human being, one or the other. But again, this person is a self-admitted AI user. Yeah, unless you have 5,000 years of backlog, but these are new Genshin characters. So these are not characters that came out years ago to where they built up backlogs. Some other aspects that look a little suspicious in their art piece. The fact that the face rendering and the body rendering don't match. This looks so 3D realistic with the body, and the face is just whoop, 2D. Also, look at the edge of the shirt, it's like a straight button down shirt, but look over here. Why does it get like weirdly jaggedy over here? Or is it because AI was like blending the hair into the shirt? I don't know, right? What's this like red ribbon draping down the arm? I don't know where this is coming from. Another one, oh, this is again too funny. Again, we have a really 3D rendered body with boop 2D face. Like the neck to the face don't match at all. It's so funny. It literally looks like you gave my brother Photoshop and another person's body and it was like, yeah, stick the 2 together. And he was like, bet. AI really has trouble with hair. Yeah, it truly does. This face rendering is blended a little better, but it's still so funny. Also, like, where did the hand go? Look, he's got an arm and then his hands, right? He's like putting his hand at the back, maybe. Where is that hand? And then we have this one. What is happening with the hands? If I were to take a photo of myself in the same pose, how do I hold a glass where it tilts towards you, but my fingers hold over it like that? This is the most awkward hand pose ever. The hand looks like it's turned awkwardly out at you. But if it were turned this way, the glass would tilt towards him, not outwards, but the glass is tilted out. So how do you actually hold it like that? Yeah, the ring finger's in the glass. Again, let's take a look at the rendering. How it's a really 3D rendered body and glass, but again, boop, 2D face slapped right on it. What in the world does this bottle of Jack Daniels say? Could you just not write LS at the end, Daniels? What are these like squiggles? It's probably because AI doesn't know how to write. Also, if you look at this bottle of Jack Daniels, its perspective is really off. If you look at the bottom, it looks like it's tilted. On the top of the bottle, it's completely straight on, but the bottom is tilted. Let's look at this one. Oh my God, again, really 3D body, slap, 2D face. The face is so 2D. It's funny. It's so funny. It's like they didn't even bother to paint over it to try to render it in better. They didn't even bother matching the skin tone tone to the body. This is not a rendering issue. This is not a lighting, like back is cast in a shadow and the face isn't. Guys, there's 2 different skin tones, bro. It literally looked like you chopped this guy's head off and stuck it on the body. It doesn't even match. Look at here. You can see the anime face and the neck, and where they tried blending it into the body, it's once again 2 different skin tones. It's not even blended well. Oh my God. Once again, this bro's foundation doesn't match. Look at the face color. Look at the shoulder color. This is me when I go out with my winter foundation when it's summer, okay? We got one skin tone going on my face and the summer color on my body. The more I see it, the more obvious it gets, which is why it's so funny to me. It literally looks like somebody chopped off his face from the wiki and was like distorting it in Photoshop to line up and then pasted it on. It looks like he's wearing a mask. The face doesn't match the body at all. And wait, why is there like a random strand of hair here? You didn't do a good job of erasing this when you got the AI back. I'm just gonna add a disclaimer. You guys are probably annoyed at my disclaimers, but I have to do this because I cut this for YouTube and not everybody who watches my previous YouTube video who heard the disclaimer will watch this one, okay? If you're an artist who does these things, I am not making fun of you, okay? This person admittedly uses AI, so I am making fun of AI generation, not art. But one thing I want to point out, notice how this guy never draws the Genshin character or Honkai character, whatever, in their actual outfit. It is always in an alternate outfit in an alternate universe where it's like modern clothing, like a suit. You know why? It is not because that is their shtick and they like it. It is because AI is really bad at generating extremely detailed outfits, especially for outfits that they have no ref photos of or very little reference photos of. So another red flag is how all of these characters are in modern clothing instead of their actual clothing, right? I just want you to notice. Let's look at this character. I just pulled him up as an example. Look at Kaveh, right? He's got a really detailed collar with embroidery, a long cape, and then really detailed tassels hanging down from the stomach area. Look at here. Kaveh, Ancient Rome AU photo book. They did not make Kaveh in an ancient Rome setting because they wanted to. They did it because AI is not good at drawing extremely detailed and complex outfits. So it is so much easier to put in Kaveh in toga instead of Kaveh because AI will fuck it up if you actually ask for the correct outfit. Because I just want you to look at all of their fits. Again, we have Kea, who is in a suit and like a modern jacket, not their regular fit, right? They're either in like a white button down or again in a toga because it's so easy to say. I hope I'm calling it correctly. I don't know if this is exactly called a toga. Notice, right? Blue toga is a really easy input to put into AI. I can't pronounce their name, but Nuvoleta's correct outfit is going to be way more complicated to draw. So again, notice how none of the characters are in their OG outfit. If you are somebody who likes drawing, I don't know, Genshin characters in modern outfits, that itself is not necessarily indication that you used AI. But context clues, we tie everything together. This person posts every single day. This person only draws Genshin characters in modern outfits or a simple outfit. They never draw them in their original OG fits. It just looks really AI. It looks like they're copying and pasting faces onto bodies, which looks really off. And by the way, the last red flag, this is a brand new account. This is their first post, guys, on March 28th. And yes, guys, guess what? They have a Patreon. They have a Patreon that they're heavily shoving down your throat.
Happy
Look at
early
this.
birthday, cat.
Update on Patreon. Photo book update on Patreon. Full version on Patreon. Photo book on Patreon. Like, they're just shoving Patreon down your throat, but it's literally AI generation. Let's check out their Patreon. You must be 18 or older to enter, guys. Basic plan. This tier offers access extra version of my published works on X in the last 1 month. Access safer work / light NSFW photo books of characters in the past 1 month. Digital download. So I can't just save image as digital download like this. By the way, don't do that to legit artists. Not fair. Premium plan. Tier 2. $8 a month. This tier offers access all works. Tier 2 exclusive, not safe for work, explicit contents of both solo and couples yaoi. So far, yaoi contents is focused on, I am not going to pronounce any of these correctly, by the way. Haikave, Zhongqi, Eya, Thoma, Top Jingyuan, all X, Aether, etc. Sorry, I butchered all of these. If you play Genshin, I am so sorry. I play Honkai, okay? High resolution contents plus previous tier. And for $20 a month, guys, you can get their tier 3 commission plan that is sold out. What poor soul fell for this. I am so sorry. This tier offers plus previous tiers benefits, access to commissions, 1 illustrations per month, fan arts / simple OC only. You can specify the following elements: characters, up to 2 people, clothing and posture, scene, style, limited to similar styles of my published works. DM me to get your commissions. You're telling me that I have to spend $20 a month to what? have you go to whatever AI generator you use, type in Ayato with big chest and nips, and then for you to download whatever AI generates and send it over to me. That cost me $20 a month, truly. The fact that they have a Patreon is so gross to me. It's clearly all AI, which is why I'm so disappointed, at a loss of words. The fact that they're scamming people like this, the fact that people are paying for it. What do you mean commissions? How exactly do you take commissions when it's AI? Well, you just go to AI and type in whatever you want to generate, and then you send me whatever AI generated. That is not a commission. That is theft. This must have taken you so much time too, to like photo bash people's faces onto the art pieces. Are you truly this broke with this much free time that you can do this? Ilix, why don't you just go and learn how to draw yourself? And then you can draw all of the big pec, muscular anime men that you want, okay? Go for it. If that's your thing, I'll knock on it, okay? I have a Blade poster right here. I'm going through AI to do it, man. Come on. And I feel really bad for anybody who actually paid for their tier 3 commission, because what they're doing is completely free and cost them no money whatsoever. So you're essentially just getting scammed. Basically, TLDR, this person is blatantly using AI. Like, we can already tell, and they also admitted to it. So that is the nail in the coffin. Don't spend money on them. Please don't support them. They're using AI. AI is theft from actual artists. There are so many other amazingly talented artists out here that deserves the support way more than this person.